Today, we are going to implement Kubernetes security using an open source solution called kube-bench. Kube-bench provides configuration monitoring of our Kubernetes clusters. The kind of security which kube-bench is providing is called KSPM, which means Kubernetes Security Posture Management. It is the same as CSPM, that is Cloud Security Posture Management, in the sense that it is doing configuration drift detection. The main difference obviously is that KSPM is focused on our Kubernetes clusters. So here I have a Kubernetes cluster running with one node in my Azure environment. So it is an AKS cluster, and we are going to use kube-bench to scan this cluster for security issues. The process of doing the scan is simple and well documented on kube-bench's GitHub page. So mainly they have this file, this YAML manifest file for Kubernetes that we just need to create, and then a scan would be executed. So let's do that. So all I just did was just created this file called job.yaml, and it has all the instructions required to execute a scan. One thing that I'm doing differently from based on what we have on the GitHub page for kube-bench is that I have set the output as JSON. And real quick, if you look at this, it's mounting certain directories which are related to Kubernetes installation, and then it is going to run its checks on these directories. Here you are seeing it is mounting the directories from the host system where Kubernetes is installed, and then making it available in the containers from where kube-bench would be executed so that it could scan those directories. So all we need to do now is just apply and the job would be created. Let's look at the list of our jobs to make sure that it got created, and it also started running. So now also let's look at our pods. We should just see one pod since this is a brand new cluster with only one pod for the job that got completed successfully, as you can see. And now we are going to look into the logs of this pod to see what happened. This is where we are going to see the output of the scan as well. Now remember, I set the output of the job to JSON. So that is why I am piping the output of kubectl logs to the JQ command. And another thing which I'm going to do is enable colors in JQ because I like to see colors. So this will give me the output formatted in JSON and colored as well. Next, I'm passing the output to the less command so that I can review it. And I also use the -R option because I wanted less to retain the colors as well. And because of all of that, what we are seeing here is a very nice JSON formatted colored output of our scan results. So it's showing both pass and failed. And just to use as an example here, you are seeing a failed check. And this is one of the things that I need to work on in order to improve the security posture of this Kubernetes cluster.